We love to play games at our house and have collected quite a few over the years, like this one, which is a cat-themed game. It has many playing pieces in various rectangular and square configurations that match spaces on a board that represents a ship. The pieces are punched out of several thick chipboard frames, and once that's done, I start to see some potential in the leftovers. And my instinct is right, as they fit perfectly onto some wood panels I already have on hand. So I know these elements need to come together. The first thing I need to do is seal the porous wood with Golden's GAC 100. This makes it easier to apply acrylic paint with fewer layers since I don't have to fight the absorption. Next, I apply a couple of layers of gesso. I envision white as the main outer color for this project, and later I will use Golden Fluid Titanium White to give it a final coat. Then I paint the punched out grid with titanium white. I filmed this during a winter storm, otherwise I would have spray painted it outside, but I do give it a final spray coat once the weather warms up. And now for the really fun part. Originally I planned to use colorful paper collage, but I decide to paint it instead using my acrylics. I go over it a few times, letting it dry in between until I get the coverage just right. And finally, I get to see the two pieces come together exactly as I imagined. I apply glue around the edges of the grid where it slightly overlaps the wood panel, which will frame it nicely. And I have enough materials to make 3 more, and I'm planning on mounting all 4 in a dark floater frame. I'm still deciding whether to keep the same color scheme or explore some complementary palettes for the others, so stay tuned for that. And let me know if you have any suggestions for that in the comments. Thanks, see you in the next video, bye!